how to do a code review with Codex. So first you can open up the Codex app, or you can use the PowerShell or terminal if you're using Codex CLI for reviews. Make sure you're inside a directory that has a Git repo, and also make sure that you stage your changes that you want to be reviewed, or just leave them uncommitted. And then in the Codex session, you want to run the following command, which is /review, or just type codex/review and press enter. And this should basically start analyzing the changes and outputs feedback for you, but I just run it in an empty directory in this case. You can also use it for reviewing a GitHub pull request. So if your project is on GitHub, you can enable the codex for your repository, which will automatically review your pull requests and as they go from draft to ready. You can also tag the codex in pull requests with something like @codex_review to basically analyze and highlight issues and suggestions in pull requests. And the last way to do a review is doing a manual review with prompting. You can use the following prompt where you say here's a change set diff, and then you can paste the code diff here and just ask it to review this patch for correctness, performance, security problems, style, and provide feedback. You can do this manual review with prompting anywhere, basically in chat, CLI, or inside the Codex app. And this will basically produce a review summary if you don't want to run the /review command. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.